America tightens visa rules. No more quick appointments abroad for Indians. See, the American Department of State have issued a directive which is going to affect which is going to become effective immediately, requiring non-immigrant visa applicants, including Indians, to set up their interview appointments exclusively in their country of citizenship or legal residence. For example, I'm an Indian. I want American visa. If I don't get a visa slot here, or if I'm in tour in Singapore or some other country, I can take visa appointment from that country also till now. In that country's embassy also till now. Okay, in that country's visa office also till now. But now the citizens who belong to a particular country, for example, I belong to India, I should take visa appointment in India only. I'm not allowed to take in other countries. So visa appointments were tightened, were strictened. The new visa rules will be implemented globally. Effective immediately, the Department of State has updated instructions for non immigrant visa applicants. This is for non immigrant visa applicants. And they should schedule visa interview appointment at US embassy or consulate in their country of nationality or residence.